Marco is going to give us a lesson on a triple S clutch. Go ahead, Marco. Go ahead, tell us how it works.
Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.
Essentially, when the pinion speed matches the output of the motor speed, the clutch stays engaged. Like so.
So
As
when these what is this part called? That grid or whatever. So when that's
the
so when it's
essentially
out, it is engaged.
When the pinion starts accelerating past it, the pulse inside of this piece here will start bringing this in. So essentially what I'm doing here by turning the opposite direction of the pinion is I'm simulating the pinion without the pinion moving, I'm simulating what would happen when the pinion would accelerate faster than what the turning gear is turning. This would come in, and then this would simply rotate with this being free. So this is rotating, this is free, and the clutch is disengaged.
Show us what it looks like when it engages and how it turns.
When the clutch engages, the slip ring, the bevel gear set would turn out, and then here the clutch is now engaged.
Let's turn a little bit so we can see what happens. So now it's engaged, and we have the gears turning.
Rotation.
All right, that was Marco from FGGS and Turbine Key. Thank you very much. Thank you, Marco.
You're welcome, Dave.